Alright, people spend a lot of their time trying to save money. They check magazines and newspapers on information about discounts and special offers. They use special kinds of software that can help them optimize their expenses. There are many websites out there where you can compare prices. And hey, people even pay money to other people for helping them out live a richer life on a smaller budget. And people also like to discuss things they buy. They like to recommend to each other and discover together those great offers. And the last part is actually very important because this is one of the main ideas behind PriceFlurry. To allow ordinary consumers like you and me share information about prices on anything you can buy. Your friends, your family, and anyone in the world can then go to a website or open the app and view your findings and get an overview of how much things cost and also get some hints on how you can get those offers. Let me show you a quick example. Here I'm adding a review for the local billiard hall called Sharks, where I specify that I spent 100 Danish kroners on playing for 1 hour. I can also provide some additional information in the comments about the amount, but I can also say something about the place in general. When I'm done, I simply click Add Review and my review instantly becomes available to all the users. Here's another example where I'm searching for a place to eat. What I basically need to do here is I need to specify the geographical location, for example Aarhus City, and the desired price range. And after that, PriceFlurry will pull out all the relevant reviews for me and organizes them nicely, presenting me with a list of corresponding places. I can also add some additional filters like how fresh the reviews must be, what to search within the review text, and so on. I can also reorder reviews, for example, when I want to bring the closest one first. I can quickly view each place on a map by clicking the address. And here's the last example where I'm browsing the information about the specific place. This information usually consists of a place name, description, categories, pictures, and so on. And what is really cool about this is that all this information is editable by anyone, meaning that people can contribute into improving the website's content. But of course, the most important part on this page is the list of reviews, where I can view all the reviews, I can comment on a review, I can like a review, or I can even report a review if I think that it is not inappropriate, and so we can take necessary actions in order to improve the content that we provide on our website. PriceFlurry was built by two people. Together we described the idea and decided what needs to be done first. I made all the design and programming, and we are currently in a perfect match since I'm more technical minded and my partner is more business minded. I work full-time as a system developer and architect, and I personally designed and implemented an online marketing platform and a better search engine for our content management system, which is, by the way, one of the finest in Denmark. I also have some other side projects, for example, an online board, a free online board where people can post and find one-time jobs, and I'm also working on establishing a consultancy firm that will help startups for free in my home city in Russia. My partner Artem works as a large telecommunication company in Moscow, and he successfully shipped several projects during this year that millions of people use all around the country. Let me tell you about some other cool possibilities that PriceFlurry opens to its users. Well, first of all, very soon we're going to roll out a partnership program that will enable local businesses to reward their customers based on the information they post on PriceFlurry. This concept is a bit similar to how businesses use Foursquare membership status, and we hope that this, on one hand, will substantially enlarge our community, and on the other hand, will bring more customers to local businesses and make them more popular in general. Another great feature that we are working on will allow businesses to analyze data that is saved on PriceFlurry, meaning that you can analyze the reviews and get an overview of what people usually buy, what they say about things they buy. Do they like them or not? What is their customer satisfaction and how their revenue is distributed according to the reviews. We're also working on some other minor features, but still very important ones, like recommended places, personal expense assistant, a deep integration with other services like TripAdvisor, Trustpilot, Google Places, Yandex.Market, and others. So we're really excited about what is going to happen in the next couple of months. As I said, PriceFlurry was founded by 2 people. We haven't got any investment yet, and all the expenses are being paid from our own pockets. We're not profitable yet, but as I said, we're working really hard on building a strong community for PriceFlurry, and after that we can start monetizing the service as planned. So here we are, PriceFlurry, a Wikipedia for prices and a Groupon where everybody can make an offer. I'm Pavel Volgarev. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great evening.
Pavel. Okay, well, you still have 2 minutes left, so if there are any questions.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure, Greg.
You mentioned Trustpilot, of course, maybe we're all aware, but there are some issues with Trustpilot and news at the moment. What's your stance on that? How are you going to kind of secure the system against maybe reviews being stacked by people who shouldn't be reviewing and things like that?
Well, I guess we just have to look after how other companies deal with it, and this is the same problem on Amazon. People write fake reviews. You know, of course, on Trustpilot, people write fake reviews. But we are working on how we can actually monitor the quality of the reviews and how we can actually improve it by allowing people to say that, okay, this review is totally nonsense because the price that I paid there wasn't actually correct, so I just flag this review as an inappropriate, and once the review gathers a specific amount of inappropriate votes, it will just disappear from the list.